Okay, hot water, second priority. It's the second biggie. We'll crash through a few here because time's sort of peeling away on us. Hot water, there's some really basic things that you can do. First of all, try and use a little bit less hot water. I already sort of prefaced this at the start of the presentation by saying, it's a cool winter's morning. You're getting off ready for work, and it's stepping into the shower can be a really lovely way to sort of warm your toes, warm your body up before you pull your clothes on and head outside. The basic sort of idea here is to sort of be a bit frugal. You often see these little timers, the little red one on the far left-hand side of the screen there, and that's meant to give you a sort of 4 minutes shower is the idea. And you can see that this one's laying on its side, which means it's going to be 4 minutes as long as you want because it's not actually tipping sand from one end to the other. And that's really how my kids like to operate it. But anyway, if you've got teenage kids, you'll understand that's a very hard chore to get them to use one of those. Another option, that I've heard people recommend is actually to get a couple of people into the shower at once. No, actually, that might slow you down. So let's just go back to the idea of trying to be efficient with our hot water. Well, number one, reducing the length of showers. So the less hot water you use, the less you're going to be paying for. Upgrading the shower rose itself to a really water efficient shower head is a good option. Still getting an efficient amount of water. You don't want to get right down to one of those really fine mists where you've actually got to run around the bathroom and try and sweep the moisture out of the air. You actually want to have a decent one. Sort of older shower roses sort of would operate in that sort of range, 12 to 15 litres a minute. The more efficient ones are 9 litres per minute and below. And so they actually have star ratings on them these days. And so that sort of 9 litres down to sort of 6 litres per minute still enables you to have a comfortable shower and the warm water come rolling over your body, but it's not being wasted. It's not just gushing around and falling off you and running down the drain. Choosing sort of cold wash settings on washing machines, and perhaps even on a dishwasher, choosing like a echo setting, that kind of thing, can help too. And there's another, gadgets coming out all the time. So the picture on the far right shows a little Perspex dome that actually gets, well, it's a cover that goes over, maybe it's plastics, I should say. It's a cover that goes over the shower, right over the top of the shower screen. If you've got a classic kind of rectangular shaped square type shower, you can put one of these shower domes. That just keeps the heat in that small space rather than it just, drifting away out through the top. We've got a guide about different types of hot water systems, including heat pump hot water systems, which are becoming really popular now. And so that's a type of that heat pump mechanism, the compressor and refrigerant gas that produces hot water. And gradually what we'll see as homes become all electric, we will all eventually migrate to these heat pump hot water systems. And so please have a look at our website. Again, there's another guide all about hot water. So yeah, have a look there.